everyone, welcome to Iphy's kitchen. In this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of dry feet and cracked heel. You will need tea tree oil, lime, baking soda and Epsom salt. I'll be adding a 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the water. Add the warm water into a bowl. Squeeze in some lemon juice into the water. As we all know, lemon juice is acidic in nature. It helps to exfoliate the dry skin and dead skin and also help to brighten the skin. I'll be adding like 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt and I will allow it to dissolve in the water. Add about 6 drops of tea tree oil into the water. Tea tree oil has a lot of benefits. I'll be soaking my leg in the warm water for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, you will notice that the dry and dead skin have softened. Use the foot scrubber to scrub off the dead skin. I'll be filing my nails because I don't want to cut them. And after the filing, I'll make sure I smooth out the surface. I'll be removing the dead skin. I'll be adding a toothpaste with lemon juice into a bowl. Then I'll mix to combine the mixture that I'll be using to be brushing my nails. I'll be applying the mixture on my toenails and brush it properly and leave it for 4 minutes before cleaning it up. After about 4 minutes, I'll wipe it off. I added a washing liquid on the brush, then I'll use it to scrub my leg, my toenails, my heel to remove any extra dead skin cell. After the scrubbing, I will still rinse my leg with water